Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Nowadays, WordPress is most popular in the world. Avada is one of the most important and fantastic website builder, website team. They have lot of unique design and also e-commerce features. Avada, most popular sellable theme in the world. Only 69 USD. Reviews 25k, comments 37k plus. It's one of features 7.7 reviews, average reviews. Okay, now live preview. Click preview to website. Here lots of demos here. Total 87 unique demos here. Corporate 36, shop WooCommerce 20, creative 90, portfolio types 18, education types 15 demos, health and beauty types 14 demos, food 10, one page demos 10 page, events 9, sports 6 demos, blog and magazine 5 demos, marketing 4 demos, travel 4 demos, BB Press 2, coming soon 2. Lots of demo here. Here we see that all categories. Corporate 36 corporate types demos here. Fantastic, all of demos. Just example, I just click one demos. Awesome features. We can change as our requirements, number, tabs, menus, logos, images here. It's just a demo. Awesome features. It's have menus and another pages. Just I click our service page. It's service page design. Okay. Now I click another one, digital agency. This is also home page. Okay. Now we're trying another category, WooCommerce. Total 20 types of WooCommerce demos here. Just click one as example. Wow, great looking here. We can customize, you know that we know that we can customize all of demos as our requirement or as our needed. Okay, now creative, lots of here creative design, creative portfolio types. Just we click Avada fashion. It's another demos, glamour and beauty demos. Wow, looks great. If you want, we can use it, customizable. Okay, now total 19 design here, portfolio types. It's a portfolio types. Easily we can drag and drop type based on, we can change our any type of content and design layout. Okay, now we are trying to educational total 15s. Just I one click. Okay, wow, great. Another demos, educational based or technology based, whatever. Now we're trying blog and magazine. slogan and magazine type of design here. Okay, marketing based design. All are featured here. You can change or customize it. Travel related website, we can use our as our need. Okay, Avada is most sellable theme, so you know that. Great drop and drag base theme, #1 seller for 9 years. Description below the videos. Just add to cart, go to checkout and fill up this form, then progress this step. Simple and easy. Okay, thank you.